Hello dear students, welcome back to your social studies class. Today we're going to start the revision of our previous work and previous chapters that we had done in term 1. So this week we're going to revise our chapters in a very short summary containing all the important points that we should know. So this week you can complete your previous work or incomplete exercises if you have. So let's start with chapter 2, that is latitudes and longitudes. So in this chapter, what main things we had come to know? See, firstly, what is a location? A location is a place where something happens or exists. There are two types of location, that is relative and absolute. So talking about relative location, a relative location is a description of how a place is related to other places. For example, you may describe your location of your house to your friend by stating how it is related to other places, like it is near to a particular shop, market, or any other thing. Coming to the absolute location, an absolute location of a place is its exact place on the earth's surface, like your home address or any historical monument. Now, how to locate places on the earth? So locating places on the earth, we can locate places on the earth by the help of latitudes and longitudes lines. Latitudes, these are the imaginary lines in each hemisphere drawn parallel to the equator up to the poles, are called parallels of latitude, as they are shown in the diagram given below. Now, the equator is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves known as hemispheres. The half of the earth above the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the half below the equator is called the southern hemisphere. Now, talking about longitudes, longitudes are also known as meridians. They are imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole, as they have been shown in the diagram given below. According to an international agreement, the longitude passing through the Royal Observatory at Greenwich in England, United Kingdom, is accepted as 0° longitude, and it is called the prime meridian. Besides latitudes and longitudes, the other important lines of latitudes are Tropic of Cancer at 23.5° north, Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5° south, Arctic Circle 66.5° north, and Antarctic Circle 66.5° south. Coming to the grid, as we know, longitudes and latitudes crisscross each other to form a network of lines, and it is known as a grid. The point in the grid where latitudes and longitudes intersect each other is called a coordinate, and the coordinate help us to locate any place or point on the earth. As you can see in the diagram given below, the diagram shows the grid formed on the surface of the earth by the latitudes and longitudes lines. You can also see meridians, parallels. Meridians are your longitudes and parallels are your latitudes, Greenwich line, equator line, and all your points, North Pole, South Pole, West Pole, and East Pole. Thank you. Keep revising. Till then, do your work, be patient, and keep doing good. Thank you.